insert clip of Yi-Tin getting a gigantic stingray.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, we have 3 orders: bacon and eggs.
Bacon and egg.
Look at y'all. How does my auntie know to use this and use it for bacon? Like, how did she know? Oh, Ty's here. Ty, say hi to the vlog. That's Ty. He drove last night. More bacon.
Do you like bacon? Breakfast, eggs and bacon? A little bit, not too much.
My avocado toast opla. Let's try. Auntie's opla. Oh, this is great. I guess you guys get a piece the same way. Maybe you guys enjoy it when my mom talks to you. No, your mom talks to me the same way she talks to y'all. We're currently going to go get a golf cart. We might get 2 since there's 8 of us, 9 of us. 8 of us. Look at all these golf carts. Whee!
12 seconds later.
That already came that way?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
But it doesn't
Okay.
like this one.
Try to go
This is
into
like a
this
baby
one. Okay.
I think you put like the baby in.
No, I think it turns like that when you sit in.
No.
Try. Wow. This one is going to be the one that our parents drive. And it's bright green. Look at that. Wow. This one's nice because it has shade.
Hey, you be careful, time.
Lấy hình. I see. Turn this way. Okay. I'll follow you guys. We're changing the drivers. Okay, Dad. So reverse, you go this is the reverse. This is straight. Brake. Emergency brake. Gas.
Don't fall.
Chết phút nó đi thế không?
Yeah.
Không chưa?
We're changing drivers. The dads are driving.
Từ từ má mày muốn đi á. Hey. Hết ga này hả?
Are those clams? Are those clams?
He wants a clam?
Yeah, here.
Get it, Tom.
It's too deep.
Nè, đó. Đó. Làm dưới á. Còn sâu à? Sâu.
My dad is currently clamming, y'all. He sees the little holes, the little breathing holes in the sand. That's why he wants to see one. But it's too deep, he can't get it. Ty is trying to clam. Look at how pretty this is. My dad is desperate to find a clam. Are you sure? Look at his little stance.
Hi, Sadie. We are going fishing on the scary boat. Ethan is really scared.
Ty is also seasick. Sorry, Ty.
But it's gonna be awesome. Dad said that our minimum is 10 fishes. As a group.
They said that we stay here in calm waters. We don't go crazy out there. So let's see what happens. At least we made the boat. I realized that we had to be here a little bit early, and they didn't say anything in the reservation, so we just thought we had to be here by 1, and we made it by like literally like 2-3 minutes. Girl, me too, girl. She has a DJI. Young now works here. He's getting ready because Young Thin is picking his fishing spot.
Yeah, I like this. I like this. And this is Animal Crossing.
This is fishing with Jordan, guys. You unhook it.
I can't do it. I'm scared.
You can't unhook it. There you go.
How'd you do that?
Put the muck on here.
No. There's a second one.
Jordan, grab the muck.
Oh, a towel.
Jordan, grab the muck. Jordan has a muck in his hand.
Should I cut it? I'm scared of the hook.
Hook it on. Hook it on good.
Should I have gone in the middle? That was nice.
That's nice.
Okay. One.
Jordan's picking all the pretty mucks.
I like the pretty ones. I want to see the big ones for my dad. So he's the big fish.
Drop it.
How do I do that?
I don't know, actually.
Aren't they supposed to teach us?
Yeah.
Catch it, catch it, catch it. Oh, your dad's a profesh.
Okay, so this is the drop button. Okay, so now we wait, guys. Anybody see these shadows?
The first person to get a fish gets a $100 gift card.
Oh, okay. I like that. How do you can't predict.
Oh, Young, come on, Young.
Come on, Daddy.
Yeah! Good job, Mom! Oh, it's Dad's? It's Dad's?
Come on.
Chubby. Wow! Wow!
That fish. Oh, yeah,
Wow!
No.
You don't like it?
This jab top right here.
Gav top.
Oh, that's not a cat.
Smile.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow!
That one there's not big enough. They got to be 14 or 15. 14.
Whoa,
yeah.
okay.
So that one's a small one.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Okay, so it needs to be a little bigger. But that's exciting to know that there's fish out there. Woohoo! So now we know there's fish. Those are not called catfish.
Well, they are catfish.
Oh, they are catfish?
This is a
Just
species.
a
Gaff top. That is not catfish.
Well, Ty's gonna put a bunch on there.
It's so big, it's so big. Let's see the fish. It's a baby. Wow. It's not in, the fish is not in the frame. 1, 2, cheese. Come on, mommy.
Daddy, I can't come. Come on.
She's tired already.
Somebody help her.
Come on.
That big one.
Wow! Yay! Insert clip of me.
Đó, canh chua này. Câu cá là mấy canh chua hay là kho tiêu, kho cổ nữa.
Everyone's getting excited now because they're catching fish. I did not catch anything. Actually, I did. I caught a very teeny little baby one, but they threw it back because you can't keep the really small ones. But then the captain was standing next to me. I didn't know he was captain. And he was like, oh, I caught a big one. You want it? And I was like, no, you should keep it. And then he's like, no, I'm the captain. And so then he let me do it because I wanted to feel what it felt like. And it was too big. Insert the clip recorded from Anne of how gigantic this thing is. All right, go on, Kim. Oh, go some more. Yeah, Kim, look, turn around, Kim. I didn't really catch it. Turn around, Kim, yay! But he let me keep it. So now everyone's excited. It's huge. It's huge. And then also, insert clip of Yi-Tin getting a gigantic stingray.
What do you think? Sandbar or bull shark? Is it stuck to the bottom?
Shark. It's something.
It's
Well, Malachi, is it stuck to the bottom or like no, a stingray?
okay, I was gonna say it might be big old.
If it's stuck to the bottom like a stingray, play guitar on the string. He'll let go at the bottom. No, it's coming up.
Come over here to that.
Come on, Ty. Oh. What'd you do, lady?
Hey, Logan. Logan. Look on him. Y'all want to take a picture with him?
Yeah, you too.
Daddy,
Smile. It's huge, and they actually let you keep it. Wow. Oh, also Jordan, he also got 2 fishes. I'll show you a photo of that as well. You didn't get to keep it because it's too small. But now everyone's super excited because everyone's catching fishes. And that are not catfish because they don't want catfish. I got to feel what it feels like to go fishing.
It's like Animal Crossing.
It was crazy. The fishes are so strong. Wow.
Another one?
Wow! Wow! God has blessed us! Nice. We're officially done fishing. Mom, did you have fun?
See this piece of jellyfish over here?
Jellyfish?
Jellyfish on that line.
Oh! Whoa! You caught the jellyfish, Mom? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Jordan, did you have fun?
Yes, I did. It was awesome.
How many fish did you catch, Mommy?
I think 2.
Nice.
I think I caught 6, but none I could keep.
I caught like 2-3 little babies. I didn't get to keep any of the fish I caught, and then the captain let me have this gigantic catfish. But the winner of all of this is Yi-Tin over there. She was the ultimate winner with her stingray. That was crazy.
Can't wait to see the vlog for the vlog.
Crazy. We're officially home now. And I already took a shower because I had to take off all the squid that was on my legs. And I had squiddy hands, so I didn't want to hold my camera. But it was a very successful day. We were all exhausted. My parents, I think, had a lot of fun. I think my dad is currently, actually my dad and uncle are outside right now grilling the fish. So, oh, here they are. This is called white king fish. My dad is setting the grill up at the moment, but it's a little bit windy, so. I also just plugged this light in, but it should stop blinking soon. Because I think this is what happened last night. Your dad said eat all the fish and then we'll figure it out later. Oh, you're gonna do it like that? Meanwhile, up here, my mom and auntie are preparing dinner. Ethan, what is on the menu tonight?
Gỏi cá,
My favorite.
cá nướng, and thịt chiên trứng, thịt kho thịt trứng,
Thịt kho.
cánh mướp và mực ngọt.
Whoa, 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 whoa. So many mon.
Too many more.
There's so many. But this is my favorite that my aunt makes. It's raw fish with like rau. Like
Lemon.
lettuce. Rau. Vegetables, sorry. Raw fish with vegetables. The first time I ever had this was at her house, actually. And my uncle made it, and it was really, really good. I ate a whole entire plate all by myself because it was so good.
We just found out that Disney World is giving out a lifetime ticket to someone who can pay $10 million for their ticket. And if you're one of these 562 subscribers who has $10 million, please reach out to us. And we will go to Disney World. I think, they calculated it? Oh, they need peanuts for... Yeah, the garden.
Okay, I'm gonna sit this. My aunt is gonna try the guy on a ruffle chip with me. You're back.
Where's the... Wow.
Huh? The route? Original ruffle chip with fish, onion, and a little mint leaf. Cheers. But the guy is delicious.
Try with the jalapeno chips.
A plus. These Buc-ee's Rice Krispie treats from
These Buc-ee's Rice Krispies.
These Rice Krispie treats from Buc-ee's are freaking delicious. They just look good and I had to try it. So good. I'm gonna make Jordan get me more when he comes back home. And then Jordan, he loves these beaver twists. White fudge. Let's try one. Looks like this. Kind of like white chocolate covered Fritos. Yeah. This is my cousin's. 12 flavor gummy bears. Is it okay that we're eating your gummy bears, Tan? Is it okay that we're eating your gummy bears? I'm gonna try the only blue one.
They're really good.
The blue one is good.
Get a vacuum blue one.
Better than cherry on top. Sorry,
Wait,
Lila.
what's beaver twist made of?
You know bugles?
Okay, let's try this light blue one.
Like the cone
Oh.
thing, and I think they dip it in white chocolate.
Just a lighter flavor of the blue one, but it's a light blue.
Okay, try a different whole color.
Okay. Here's the red one.
I like how my mom made it.
They actually taste like different flavors.
Yeah, that's 12 flavors.
Like, you know, like Haribos? Don't they all taste the same to you?
No, I don't like gummy bears.
I did a taste test of this on the beach. I'll insert it here. Okay, today we're taste testing chips on Cinnamon Shore. These are classic. These are the regular Chester's hot Cheeto fries. You know what these taste like. Classic travel chip. Yummy. These are the new. They're not new, are they? I've never seen these before, but I wanted to try them. They're Chester's Fries in ranch flavor. This is what it looks like. It's not like a straight ranch flavor. Interesting. Huh. It's interesting. Creamy, tangy, zesty in every bite. Preference, still the hot Cheeto fries. These are interesting. I don't know if I will buy them ever again, but
Yeah, I actually never tried that.
they do taste like ranch. The more I eat them, they taste like ranch. Sean, have you tried these yet? Do you like hot Cheeto fries? Yeah. Try it. Anne has her white, and my dad has his red.
Look how bacon soft is.
Look at this rye with ruffled chips to cook and all the fish. Yeah, me. Decided to eat the garlic.
Yeah, the garlic's good.
My favorite. It's so good. This is cinnamon, but it's dyed green. Okay, never had that. You can't see it. Tastes exactly the same. Me and Ian killed the light. It's so good. Gone. So good. Eaten.
Anybody, let's go eat fries.
She's eating her leftover taro cake.
Later that night.
I asked Jordan to hang out, and he said no because he wanted to go to sleep. Now he feels bad, and we're gonna go drive the golf cart. It's only 9 o'clock, and these people are sleeping already. Okay, let's go. Get the house key golf cart. You gonna go with us, Ian?
Already in bed. Where your head's going?
We're gonna go look at the other side of the beach.
Alright.
Be right back. Ty's fun. Should we wait for 10? You think he's gonna go? Where's the house key?
Don't get shy, she's a little bit awake. I'm in my outside clothes. I'm in my indoor clothes. Outside. Late night drive.
Hey, go get the trash man. So we decided to drive on the other side of the beach that we didn't go to this morning, and there's like a pier called Forest. At the end of the pier there are a bunch of people fishing right now. It looks like there's a bunch of people living here. There's only 9 of us. We've made it back and it's time for bed.